Good day, everyone. My name is Samuel, also known as Sam Creativity. So, um, within this so short video, I will be showing you how you can manipulate our image into a circle like this. It's not a too much long video, but it's just some little trick. So let's dive into it. I will hide all the one I have did before. Let me hide them. So I just give it a yellow background. So what I have to do next is come to your shape tools, click on shape, then the drop down and pick circle, then enlarge the circle, then center it well, let it be centered horizontally and vertically, then pick a shape, another shape, let it be rectangle, this time rectangle. So give it color black, rectangle, give it color black. So you need to center this also, center it, then lock it, then duplicate. After duplicating, just scroll to your left side and click on rotate, then begin to click on this plus, or if not, you can just click here and make sure it is 90 degree. Then also go to your relative position and center it very well too. Center it. So you lock them. So still duplicate another one. So this time around, you want this your rectangle to be in a diagonal form. Then just come to your rotate tools. Okay, you can just make this. We want to make this diagonal, so you can just calculate this as this can be rotated as 45 degree, or it can be rotated at 45 degree plus 90 degree, making 135 degree. So if this is 135 degree, just place it here. Yeah, I think that's better. Oh, yeah, that's good. Then click on it, duplicate again. Let me lock the previous one. So when it's like this, just come to your rotate tool. So you want to rotate this back now. It can't rotate again, so you have to now use your 45 degree. 45 degree. So make all of them to align. So I'm coming. Oh, I think it has aligned like this. So then so after this, you have to lock both your circle and the four rectangles together. Just merge them. Merge like you group them. So here in Pixellab, if you want to group, you merge. So after doing this, then scroll to your left side. You click on erase color. Sorry, my bad. So let me restart. So you scroll to your left side, then you see your erase color. Enable it. So by default, your Pixellab erase color tools do pick white by default. Then but so it is you by yourself. You have to pick the color you want to erase. We have 6 circles down here. So on that third circles, you will see number 1, right? So the fourth circle, that is a color picker too. So click on that fourth circle. Then you have to choose that you want to remove color black. Then you click on mark. Then for it to remove the remaining small black, so you can just give it tolerance of 14, yeah, or 15. Yeah, so you see it has formed now. So let's just crop it, like let's adjust it. Let's adjust. So now Let me adjust more. Okay, then let me place it as my center. So now remain one last step to go. Just I will have to draw another square, another shape on it. So that shape, let me give it color blue. I would like to pick the blue that I used before. Color blue, yeah. Then place this out. Place that out. Place that out. So let me just shift this a little bit up because I may want to write another text under. So I will have to merge this both together again. Now the final step is to now scroll to my left and use an erase color to show I have removed the white one. So I have removed the white, so just click on mark here, then lock this. So I will be using some pics of an celebrity called the only Lore. Yeah. So okay, let me import another image so that can be clear. Let me import an image. Let me start using this. So I can just crop the part I want to use. So then send it to back. No, crop. So then I will lock it. You have to set it well. So then you zoom out using your zooming control. You zoom out. Then you click on the image back. So this is where you use your mask to. Your mask is very useful here. So click on mask. After clicking on mask, click it enable. This mask it allows us to cut some unwanted parts of a be either element or any resources or any image or any shape. This mask to help us to cut the unwanted parts. So just enable it. You see it's already cut out. But here we have two options down here. We have the one that you can use to to move up the points, and the second option is where you can adjust the size. You can like me, you can increase the size, decrease the size, and just rotate. So here let's rotate. Yeah, I think this will be better. Then here let's decrease the size, so I can move it like this. I can move it. Yeah. So you now let me come back to the first option where which did allow me to. So you'll be touching that point. So if you notice, oh sorry, I'm coming. I don't know, maybe you notice where I place it in between those, like I have already made everything together and remove those colors. So in that blue part, that blue color part, that's where I have to cut it. So it will look good. So you see that you have input, you have place our image here perfectly. So let me import another one. Let me import another one. So it's very easy. Just trick. Let me use this now. I think it's not the same image. Okay, yeah. So let me cut some part out. Then place it here. So if you're covering it, then you still place it here. must make sure the picture is covering that part that you need. So here, I'll be cutting out two parts. Okay, I may not even cut out, let me just adjust it here so it won't give me much problem. Oh no, it's not filling that section. Let me adjust the size. Maybe it should. Oh no. Oh, yeah, I still have to adjust it. Let me zoom so I can have a proper view. I want this to be covering the up and down here. Oh no, nah. It's still showing. Okay, let me move a little bit. Okay, it's not showing anymore. Wait to and bring it down a little. I hope you are following. So oh, it's still I don't want it to show at all. At all. Oh no. Oh, it's already blocking his side. I don't have option. I have to enlarge this. Okay. So now I have to lock it. Then click on that image. Come to my shape tools, enable it, resize it. So then I have to rotate it. Yeah. Then decrease the size. Mark. Then back to the first option and you have to click those points. Yeah, and here. So no. Yeah. So click on mark. So you have successfully did this to zoom in back. Then I have to use another image here. Like I just have to be fast. Oh no. Let me import another image. Let me use this. Yeah, we have to use it for like I don't want the video to be too long, so I just did something quick. Oh no. Yeah. So let me cut out the unwanted part here. So that's how you trick. So this one I just want to I don't know. Yeah, I think this align perfectly. So let me mark it. Then let me bring another image. So that's how you just use your so you have to use your that tools to cut the unwanted part. Okay, yeah, you have to use this. Yes, now you place it back here. Yeah, yeah. So let me just look this. You may just want to be creative sometimes. So any unwanted, assuming you have your use of your mask to cut those unwanted parts. So now let me I want to use left the remaining the remaining part section to write our name. So let me duplicate this. Let me duplicate this. Let me duplicate this. Then come to your erase color. Oh, no. Erase tools. Then this is the part I'm leaving. So let me just clear out this part. So you have to clean it carefully. Clean it carefully. Then let me zoom back. So try cleaning the other parts too. Clean very well. Clean it. Just clean. I want to achieve something here. So just clean. Mm. Let me think. Oh, let me give it another color. Oh no. Okay, I want to achieve something here, but I don't think this is going to work. I don't think this is going to work. Okay. No problem. Let me just delete it. I want to give it. Okay. So I want to give this remaining part. I want to give it a white color. So I have already merged it together, and it's not easy for me to unmerge back in Pixellab. So I should have just put white color here. But now I can just let me use the text that I used before. So let me adjust them. So the only Lore, the only Lore. So let me zoom in back. So this is my text. This was centered. So this is how I achieve it. So you can just save as an image. You come to your quality, you pick ultra, you save to gallery, save to gallery, then you come to your Snapseed. So I like using Snapseed. You can use it to make your your design look more better. Then click on these tools. Then after tool image you see details. So I can also let me increase it to 10. Then the sharpening to increase it to 10. Then I will mark it export option. Then the last option export. Then after exporting this, I go to my Lightroom to enhance some parts there, just for some enhancements and sharpening. So I want to use my Lightroom and click the background. Click on that Snapseed. So this is the latest design from Snapseed. And I click on my presets, natural, click again. Then let me give it 110. Is 110 okay? Yeah, let me try 150. Okay, 120. 120. Oh, 150. I'm going to use 150. Okay, mark. Then come to your edit, come to your color, increase the vibrance you need to. Then come to the text. So this is where you increase the sharpening. Let me increase it to 35 or even 40. So noise reduction, you can, maybe there is too much noise in the design, you can use noise reduction. Let me see whether I can increase this to 50. Yeah. Then details let it align well too. Then mark. Then I save to copy. Yeah, so this just a short video on how you can achieve some photo manipulation. Maybe you want to do a birthday flyer or something. So this is just as simple as it is. It's by using Pixellab Trick. And thanks for watching.